Hello everyone, Margriet here from BHG. In this video, I want to take you through Gallup Access. How do you navigate this powerful platform of Gallup? Well, firstly, step one is to log into your Gallup Access platform. The second step, which takes you through the different options that's available on the platform, is the menu. Click on the menu and it will open up the different options for you. Some of the tabs that you may see on your menu would be different to my menu. I have some additional resources that I have unlocked on my Gallup Access platform. Your most important tab will be your CliftonStrengths. On the CliftonStrengths tab, you will view your own top 5 CliftonStrengths themes. You will view the different tiles of your CliftonStrengths themes. You will also see the CliftonStrengths reports, all of the reports that are unlocked on your CliftonStrengths platform. On this platform, you can also view the reports. You can complete on-demand learning. You can send a digital drop and you can create certificate. Now, depending on which assessment report you have unlocked, you will have additional resources available on this platform. If you click on reports, you will also be able to view the different reports that you can unlock. You can also view samples of those reports. There are also some recommendations that you can connect with, like the CliftonStrengths podcast. The resources page will lead you to additional modules about your CliftonStrengths. There's a module on introduction to strengths. Now that you have your report, now what? As well as sharing your strengths. On the screen, you can also see that there are ebooks available to you that you can download. These are also dependent on the type of report that you have unlocked. When people have completed the CliftonStrengths assessment, after you have purchased codes for them, their results will lie in community or search. Because of privacy, I am not going to share the community page, as there are some of my clients' details that lies on the community page. But that is where you can find the details. The tab that is going to be very important to you as a coach is the resources tab. This resources tab is different than that resources tab. So resources will take you through to your tutorials. You will also have access to videos, articles, modules, downloadable resources in the resources tab. As you can see, there are over 1,000 resources available to us. If you click on tutorials, it'll open up a list of tutorials that will help you navigate your Gallup Access portal. There are modules about Cascade. You may have heard the word cascade in the Gallup world. Individual access to CliftonStrengths. There's CliftonStrengths tutorials. This is tutorial on the mobile app. Additional resources. Code management is the tutorial that you have to work through as you start working with the assessment codes. This tutorial will help you to navigate distributing of codes, creating bundles, the templates, viewing the codes, etc. So please take a look at the code management module, which will help you to navigate this important part of your Gallup Access portal.